Safety Toolbox Talk number 400. API Industry, Hazards and Safety Measures. 1. Major hazards in API industry. Chemical hazards. Strong acids/alkalis, solvents, methanol, acetone, toluene, DMF. Reactive chemicals, sodium, lithium, peroxides. Carcinogenic, mutagenic, or teratogenic intermediates. Fire and explosion hazards. Flammable solvents, vapors, and dust, API powders can be combustible. Static electricity during charging/discharging. Inadequate earthing and bonding. Process hazards. High pressure and temperature reactions. Runaway reactions if cooling fails. Exothermic reactions with delayed quenching. Occupational hazards. Worker exposure to potent APIs, inhalation, skin contact. Confined space risks in reactors, tanks, and effluent treatment areas. Noise from centrifuges, dryers, compressors. Environmental hazards. Solvent vapors, dust emissions. Improperly treated effluent affecting water bodies. Two. Key safety measures. A. Engineering controls. Explosion-proof electrical fittings, IS standards. Proper ventilation and local exhaust ventilation, LEV, in reactor and charging areas. Dust collectors and HEPA filters for powder handling. Interlocks, alarms, and automated shutdown for reactors. Solvent recovery systems and VOC monitoring. B. Process safety. HAZOP, Hazard and Operability Study, before introducing new processes. Thermal stability studies of reactions, DSC, ARC testing. Pressure relief systems and rupture discs on reactors. Double mechanical seals on pumps handling solvents. C. Occupational safety. Use of closed charging systems to limit operator exposure. PPE, respirators, chemical-resistant gloves, goggles, full suits for potent compounds. OEL, occupational exposure limits, monitoring for high-potency APIs. Regular health surveillance of workers. D. Fire and explosion safety. Proper earthing and bonding during solvent transfer. Use of nitrogen blanketing in solvent tanks. Fire hydrant and sprinkler systems around production and storage. Availability of Class B, foam, CO2, DCP, fire extinguishers. E. Emergency preparedness. On-site emergency plan as per Factories Act and Schedule 11. Regular mock drills for fire, chemical leaks, and explosion scenarios. Dedicated first aid and chemical spill response kits. Three. Best practices in API industry safety. Training and competency. All operators trained in chemical handling, PPE, spill control, and first aid. Permit to work system, PTW mandatory for hot work, confined space entry, and line breaking. Material safety data sheets, MSDS available and understood by all staff. Segregation of incompatible chemicals, acids versus bases, oxidizers versus solvents. Housekeeping, clean floors, no solvent spills, no powder accumulation. Waste management, proper ETP and solvent recovery units to meet pollution norms. '4. Regulatory and Standards Reference. OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, Process Safety Management, PSM. NFPA, National Fire Protection Association, Fire and Explosion Standards. ICHQ 9, Quality Risk Management, Risk Assessment in Pharma Manufacturing. GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices, ensures quality and safety. Indian Factories Act, 1948 and Rules, Safety and Health Provisions. Thank you.